If you know who this is from, let me know in the comments. You better get that out of here. Or, frick it, or frickin', or frick. You probably know who those two are. Dang Matt Smith and Infinite List. I love them too. Share the love is the Share fam. Carter Share, Lizzie Share, Steven Share, Otter Millie. I know all of them. Smiley face. No. Thought I could have got him and talked to him for a while. They have been out inside for a long time. Did they forget? I hope not. Whew. Let's take a break, viewers. And yes, I am sitting down. See? I'm all covered in snow. Everything is covered in snow except inside of your houses. I mean, right? That's the only place that can't really get snow. Yes, I am lonely. I don't know why. I don't have any brothers. I have a sister, but I don't get to see her. It's just stupid. I don't get to see my sister. Almost everybody else in the world gets to see their sister, right? If you don't, you do not know how that feels. So, I don't really have any friends either. So, I'm basically lonely. And the only people that I get to see a lot are maybe my family members, my parents. Those are literally the only main people that I get to see. Not really my friends, because they might have moved. Not really get killed. I might, but maybe they move somewhere. Wait, like not move to another place, but something happened. They can't go to the school anymore. I don't know. I'm just losing friends. I only have like two. Right there. Two. Not like 5 or 10. 2. My friend Jackson, not really Jackson. He's always mean to me. Oh, Landon. He's a friend of mine, and I can't really make it out. And yes, I have no hands right now driving this sled because, and I beat in a high score. Look how far that is. That's about not 25 feet, because that's from right where I end it to I think about right where I'm stepping, right there to there, I think is 25 feet, maybe less, maybe 10, but I'm not sure. I think it's about 1,000, 2,000, 10,000 feet, I guess, because I know right there to here is 500 feet. Know that because the car is from where my sled is to like right here. So I am doing my math. So yeah, it's probably about 10,000, 100, no, not 100,000 feet. Where's that? Oh. I was just wondering where that light's coming from. Oh. It's been a long day. I'm actually kind of tired of sledding. Sorry, viewers, because it's snowing out. So, and it's really dark out, so I don't know. And I have my head strap on. If you take a look at my other video that I just did, I think. Might be longer, I'm not sure. But one of them I had my new head strap on, and it was really cool. You better check it out. There's gonna be a just link down below maybe to my video. So I know other YouTubers do like RC cars, Nerf guns, PZ, not like doing PZ videos. I don't watch those because those are bad guys. Maybe not now because Chadwell Clay, I think, I literally know his whole name. Yes, I know it. That's literally his name. That's even his YouTube channel's name. But we're gonna go down and try and get a new high score. Ooh, not now, because I want to go farther back. Ooh, it's probably really good. Viewers, no, we're slowing down. No. Come on, get a new high score. Yes, new high score. Whew. Okay. I guess I can't play with them. I did tell them I was gonna be here, but I guess they might have to be here tomorrow. Whoa, whoa, whoa. I do have other sleds. I do have a dog. I'm gonna show him in a video I might have already have. I'm not sure. Wait, yeah, I have, yeah. Sorry that I'm not talking. It's just because I have to, like, get all my stuff. You're gonna come with me because I can't shut it off because I don't have those touch ones. I wish I did. That would have been cool. Here's a piece of the road. This is literally a part of the road right here. Dude, that is hard. Is that ice slush? Dude, that is hard. Dude, that is legit rock right there. Oh, like watch this. It's literally so beautiful when it's white. See that slush rock, I guess? Like, see? It's literally ice. Dude, where did that go? Yo! Oh, right here. Yo, I'm gonna bring this. Yo, I'm gonna bring this. Oh! I'm trying to do something really cool. Yo, I'm gonna bring this to my house. Dude, that is ice right there. Legit ice. I'm getting my sleds, Nana. Sorry. My Nana. She's actually really nice. Well, I guess you could say my dad. You're not. Hey, my dad is nice. He is sometimes mean. When I do something that when I do something that I did, I mean, how do I say it? When I do something good, he just like sometimes gets me in trouble. And if I do something good for him, he's gonna do something good for me. So I guess you could say he's okay. Yo, this is gonna be hard. So I'm gonna go down this hill. See? Whew. I didn't know it was gonna do how that's gonna happen. Sorry, viewers. Might take about a few minutes. And it's gonna take me more than a minute. There's I'm a monster. Whew. That was a good video. today, huh? If you liked it, leave a like. If you already did, subscribe. If you already did, just leave a comment if you liked it. Whew. I was scared for a second because I hit the sled. Finally, I got the name right for once. Oh, I'm so scared that the sled's gonna fall off. Cause it might just seem like a regular sled, but no, it's not a regular sled. Dude, come here. Dude is off in the distance. Just love walking in the slush sometimes of the road. Not in the road, but like right there. It's kind of hard because I don't know what I'm pointing at. So, yeah. If you had a blast pretending you were in the snow playing, leave a like. Oh, yeah, I got it. I guess. Yeah. Oh, yes, I have my sleds by the road. I don't think really anybody's gonna take them. Dude, I have legit ice right here. That big. Whew. I have legit ice right there. You're finally gonna see my Nana for once though.